Hello, this is CADian. Following the last video, let's take a look at the CADian UI. To watch the part 1, please click on the link and more. Now, let's take a look at the ribbon menu. The ribbon menu is composed of tabs and panels. Tabs such as Home, Edit, Draw, Draw 3D are the main menus, and panels are the submenus beneath them. For example, under the Home tab, the panels include Draw, Modify, Layers, Annotation, Block, Properties, Groups, Utilities, Clipboard. To change the display settings of tabs and panels, right-click in the ribbon menu area. In Show tab, you can toggle the main menu tabs on and off. And in Show panel, you can toggle the submenu panels on and off. You can also run Customize UI to create a ribbon menu tailored to your preferences. Exploring the toolbar. The CAD features are organized into graphical icons on the toolbar, allowing you to execute functions quickly and easily. The toolbar you see on the screen is in its default position when CADian is first installed or reset. You can drag the front part of the toolbar to move it. To modify the display settings of the toolbar, right-click within the toolbar area. Under Show Toolbar in CADian, you will find available toolbar items. Toggle these items on or off to tailor the user environment to your preferences. Let's take a look at the command bar. It is displayed as a long box at the bottom, where you can check the status of commands. Press Ctrl 9 on the keyboard to toggle the command bar on or off. Right-clicking in the command area displays a menu. You can check recent commands, copy usage history, or toggle the autocomplete function used when entering commands via the keyboard. Clicking on autocomplete options brings up a dialog box where you can change settings. Now, let's examine the status bar. It is the area displayed as a bar at the very bottom of the screen. It shows the drawing status like coordinates, file version, cursor mode, crosshair mode, and allows you to toggle on off snap, grid, dynamic input, etc. Right-click in the status bar area to access and modify settings. You can toggle each item on or off and set the display of icons or text. Exploring the File tab. At the top left of the drawing area, the currently open files are displayed as tabs. Clicking on a tab allows you to quickly switch and work on a different file. Right-click on the File tab. You can use functions such as Drawing Preview, Save, Close, and opening the folder where the file is saved. Lastly, let's look at the View cube at the top right of the drawing area. The View cube is a tool that allows you to easily view the drawing in 3 dimensions. Clicking on the arrows changes the view according to the direction. You can also drag while clicking on the center box to change the view. Right-clicking on the View cube displays the Settings menu. We have now covered CADian's user interface. Have you noticed how similar it is to AutoCAD? Through this video, we have demonstrated that CADian offers a working environment very similar to AutoCAD. CADian offers a trial version, so we recommend trying it out for 30 days before purchasing. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us via our website, email, or leave a comment. Thanks for watching.